Hello, I'm Dr. Park Jianbom, head doctor of New Breath Hospital. Together with you, we've been learning how important antioxidant therapy is in cancer treatment, considering not only vitamins and antioxidants, but also the health of our cells, cytoplasm, and even mitochondria. Antioxidants can be divided into two categories in our body, those that are enzyme-based and those that are not. A representative non-enzyme antioxidant produced in cells is glutathione. Glutathione can be supplied externally, but it is also naturally produced inside the cytoplasm. Unlike the antioxidants produced inside our cells, vitamin C must be supplied from outside the body. Vitamin C cannot be produced at all. For this reason, we must obtain it from foods such as vegetables and fruits. When vitamin C is used for therapeutic purposes, high doses are administered, sometimes in the form of megadose vitamin C infusions. During cancer treatment, vitamin C can be described as a fundamental and representative antioxidant, serving as both a standard and a cornerstone. Its molecular size is very small, which allows it to pass through easily, reaching all cells and tissues. There is no cell or tissue in the body that is not influenced by vitamin C. For example, neurons, our nerve cells, maintain vitamin C concentrations up to 100 times higher in the blood, showing just how essential it is for active metabolism and for their survival. Our cells are constantly exposed to physiological oxidative stress. This can occur when our health is compromised, when viruses or bacteria invade and cause inflammation, or when we experience psychological stress, poor sleep, or insufficient exercise. In these states, the body requires a higher intake of vitamin C. When vitamin C is consumed, it helps restore balance between oxidation and reduction, creating favorable conditions and supporting overall health. To summarize, the health of human cells depends on continuous efforts to eliminate and normalize oxidative stress, and at the center of this process is vitamin C. And that is the purpose of vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a central role in the repair and recovery of cells damaged by oxidative stress. It can be understood in three ways. 1. It helps restore oxidized cellular metabolism. 2. It promotes the repair and recovery of damaged cells. It reduces inflammation that naturally arises when cells are damaged, providing a strong anti-inflammatory effect. These three functions highlight the direct role of vitamin C in cellular health. So, why is vitamin C so important in cancer treatment? Ultimately, cancer therapy is cellular therapy, while chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery focus on directly removing or reducing visible tumors. High-dose vitamin C therapy targets the destruction of cancer cells. At the same time, because diseased mitochondria and cytoplasm are damaged by oxidative stress, antioxidant treatments, such as vitamin C, are critically important to quickly restore and repair these abnormal states, normalize harmful gene expression that may lead to cancer, and support recovery. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in this type of treatment. In other words, megadose vitamin C therapy not only targets cancer cell death, but also supports the restoration of cellular and mitochondrial health, keeping them from being oxidized and maintaining them in a healthy state. At New Breath Hospital, we emphasize that vitamin C is central to antioxidant therapy and invite patients to visit, consult with our team, and pursue effective care. Thank you.